The helicopter actually came from those 44 sheriffs that approached us and said, we have a problem. When it comes to search and rescue, we don't have the resources to do it. And the sheriffs didn't want one of their own to manage a statewide resource. And so the Sheriff's Association approached us and said, I think that the state should be the one to manage this to help us as we are doing search and rescue. I'll tell you one of the most heartbreaking things, and this still happens, when a loved one goes missing. Maybe they're off hiking in one of Idaho's beautiful mountains and they end up lost, and we would send a drone up, and there's a handful of times where we have found them. We've recognized that we found their lifeless body. They've fallen from a cliff of some kind and they're there. The worst thing that a sheriff has to do is tell family, hey, we're not rescuing somebody, we're now recovering somebody. And because of the weather and because we don't have the resources, we'll recover their body in the spring.